GoPro was once the gold standard in action cameras. Whether you were skydiving, mountain biking, or just filming a day in the life, the brand delivered rugged, reliable, and high-quality performance. But over time, excitement around new models began to fade. Each release felt a little too familiar, and the competition, particularly DJI and Insta360, started gaining serious ground with bold innovation. Fans began to wonder, was GoPro falling behind? That question might soon be answered. The upcoming GoPro Hero 14 Black is stirring up some serious buzz. Rumors suggest this new model will bring real hardware upgrades, not just software tweaks. And the timing couldn't be better. If GoPro wants to reclaim its throne, this is the moment to do it. One of the most anticipated changes is the possible inclusion of a 1-inch image sensor. That's a big deal. A larger sensor allows more light in, which improves image quality, especially in low-light situations, and adds greater dynamic range. It's the kind of upgrade fans have been waiting for. DJI already offers larger sensors, and GoPro needs to match or exceed that if it wants to lead again. Interestingly, GoPro isn't expected to chase higher resolution this time. Instead, it will likely stick with 5.3K recording, but with sharper detail and more vibrant visuals, thanks to better pixel quality. This shift from more pixels to better pixels is a smart move. Resolution means little without clarity and richness. Design-wise, rumors hint at an edge-to-edge display, more screen space without sacrificing durability. Reinforced edges should help it stay tough, while a bigger screen helps with framing and playback. Users are also hoping for better physical controls. Dedicated buttons for quick mode changes or instant recording could make a big difference in fast action scenarios. Overheating has long been a pain point with GoPro cameras, but this could finally be addressed with a rumored GP3 processor and possibly an internal heatsink for better thermal efficiency. That would mean longer shoots, fewer shutdowns, and better overall reliability. Combined with a more power-efficient chip, we might even see modest gains in battery life, something every GoPro user would welcome. While GoPro gears up for its big return, DJI is making waves of its own. The long-rumored Osmo 360 has been spotted in FCC filings, revealing a compact dual-lens design built for immersive 360-degree content. Using a clever mirror setup similar to Insta360's design, it promises powerful performance in a small form factor. It'll feature app integration, fast charging, wireless connectivity, and more. The real question is, will GoPro's focused refinement be enough to reclaim its crown? Or will DJI's bold leap into 360 territory change the game entirely? One thing is clear, action cameras are about to get a lot more exciting.